live trade case study here for you folks. I have taken along, and I want to talk about the entry. It's a high probability ICT bullish signature. Okay, I'm targeting this level here, which is a calculated target. Okay, now let me first touch on the entry and let me widen my chart. Okay, my entry is based off these two down candles. Okay, these two down candles on a 15-minute chart are the bullish order block. Okay, and this is part of this move down into this bullish breaker. Okay, which is a strong ICT bullish signature, particularly in a bullish market. Okay, when you have a predetermined target that has yet to be reached. So we have a low, right? Swing low here. We have a swing high here and a lower swing low. And then we have a movement back up, right? A movement up that is above this swing high that created the low. Okay, so we've closed above there. You can see after closing above there, we've come down with these three down candles. Again, three down candles are my favorite liquidity sweep signatures. Okay, so it's taken this liquidity, but really it's coming to a key price point. Okay, so it's on that basis when we've gone back above, right, these three down candles, you can buy at this level. I prefer not to because of where we are in price at the highs. So I want to see a level of confirmation, okay, before I enter. And for me, it's basically when the market trades above, okay, and this candle dropped down into these candles right around here somewhere, okay, and that's where I've taken my long entry, okay, and I'm simply targeting this level. Now let me see what's my entry price. 2647.62. I'll just mark it out here. Let's mark the entry. 2647.62. Okay. Let me look at this on a 5 minutes. You can see we've gone up and back down into there. Okay. Now what I've done to get the target is I've just taken this range, okay, which is basically this rectangle. Let me see if I can draw that. Okay, we're basically in a rectangle here, right? And I've just taken that and projected it up by the same amount, which gets me to that target. It's a range expansion, okay? Pretty basic way of establishing a target. And then this target, I've just taken the manipulation leg of this move down, right? Which is basically just another triangle within the triangle, another rectangle, right, within the bigger rectangle. So again, just for confluence, right? This is a bigger rectangle, and then this is just a smaller rectangle within there, another range. I've just projected that up by a larger factor that I like to use, a range that's greater than a range projection, and I got that target. So anywhere in that zone is kind of where I'm looking for this to move up into, and I'm going to set my take profit at 26.56. Okay, so I'm setting my take profit at 26.56. Now we're already at 26.50, which is a key institutional price point, which is why we're having a small reaction. But I am of the view that we should go through there. Now, another way to confirm that also is just to take these three down candles and project up. I'll just do a range projection of that. Okay. And you can see now we have some confluence. So 26.56 I like, because now I've got confluence with this range projection. Okay. And this bigger rectangle range projection. So now that I've got that confluence, I like this target better, this one here, okay, which is 26.56, okay. And if we just look at that from the entry to the target, that's a nice 85 pips, right? So it's a decent move, and I'm just going to let this play out now. Going to go on mute, and take profit's already set, 26.56. So if we get up into that zone, the trade will automatically be closed out, okay.